How can I communicate variables between two different programs in my application? Here I've got a very simple setup. I've got a program that is reading a sensor, and if the sensor is true, an alarm variable is set to true as well. In the second program, I want to disable this alarm, so set the variable to false whenever a button is being pressed. In order to do this, I need a global variable list. So I do a right click on my application and add a global variable list. Can define a name and then add it to my application. This variable list is just like the variables in my program, just that they can be used globally. So here I will create the same variable, xalarm, type bool, and this variable can now be used in the programs. It has the attribute qualified only, which is recommended, so we use a namespace in order to call the variable. So in the first program, I will now, instead of doing xalarm here, we'll remove this variable. We'll call it by using the gvl.xalarm. It already asked me to put it in. And we set this to true. The same can be done in the other program. So I could also use F2, go to my application and select the variable from the global variable list. Now this variable can be used also from this program, and I set it to false.